scientists are still trying to figure out a vaccine for the coronavirus that has shaken the world, bending powerful nations like America, France, Italy, China, and many others onto their knees. The virus, which was declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization, has changed the lifestyles of nations, cities, as well as individuals. Certain health protocols have been announced by health professionals to guide the human race to safety. It was upon this backdrop that King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II, King of the Ga State, reached out to Goldfields, Ghana to assist the Ga State with logistics to observe the measures. In accordance with the King's request, Goldfields, Ghana presented to the 7 divisions of Accra ultra-modern disinfection chambers to be designated in their various divisions to help fight the pandemic. Mr. Theophilus Ochri, the head of supply for the company, did the presentation on behalf of Goldfields, Ghana. He advised the public against the pandemic.
Support we are offering. It is very important for everyone to be responsible for their own safety and that of their families and loved ones. We urge everyone to keep safe by continuously observing all the safety protocols recommended by the WHO and the Ghana Health Service. Although our communal way of living makes it challenging to observe proper physical distancing, we encourage everyone to, as much as possible, keep a safe distance from other people in public places. Remember to wear your mask always and wear it right by covering your mouth and nose. Wash your hands regularly with soap and running water and keep a hand sanitizer with you always.
Receiving the chambers, King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II expressed gratitude to the company for adhering to his request and urged other companies who had also pledged support to follow suit. He said he has decided to face the coronavirus heads-on by protecting the people of the Ga State.
The COVID-19 pandemic has Accra as its epicenter. And we are at a crossroads right now. Whether to succumb to the disease and its devastation, or then to face this disease in its face. And we have chosen the latter, to face the disease. How do we face it? That is why we want to say a very big thank you to Goldfields today for the cooperation you have had with us, and for also delivering on your promise. We also thank our vendor, ecosystems. There are countries that are now locking down because there's a second wave of the disease, so we cannot afford to take it for granted. So we are looking forward to more partnerships and its synergies to help us protect our people in the Ga State. Not only in the Ga State, but the whole of the country.
King Tackie Teiko Tsuru and his divisional chiefs demonstrated on how to effectively use the chambers. Naewulomo Numo Akwamensah II, who was thankful for the donation, offered prayers for the company and other companies that wished to emulate Goldfields, Ghana.
When I met him in a jacket, if you only need for me, I come back. Mamma, mommy. Now, back in the kitchen, Nibawa can have fally film. Ni more white, I lay no quality boy was at it. What man age you put down? She wants salmon and then a quick quackabacla. No, make a bunny. I'm here to be pow. I can make one nigga say, Fia can lay. A mamma can walk on I say. What I'm finishing in the case, and I'm back in the poem can get no fun about to say, I'm a bite. If you want, if you should live, don't want by me. What should I get in Labamoon? Shaka no poem to buy GP. Now make a bunny per woman. No nipote, and make a bunny for a coffee. This is not my mind. And I'm an hour with your one.
Reporting for Reeby Television, now called Mensa, Accra.